The B-1 Lancer, one of the U.S. Air Force's premier long-range bombers, recently conducted a successful test drop of precision-guided munitions, demonstrating the aircraft's robust capabilities in delivering strategic strikes. This test marks another achievement in the bomber's ongoing role within the U.S. military arsenal. Below is a breakdown of how the B-1 crew prepared for and executed this critical test mission. The B-1 Lancer, commonly known as the Bone, from B-1, is a supersonic, variable sweep-wing heavy bomber capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear ordnance. Its high speed, combined with long-range capabilities and flexibility in carrying various bomb types, makes it an essential asset for both tactical and strategic operations. Since its introduction in the mid-1980s, the B-1 has undergone numerous upgrades to its avionics, targeting systems, and munitions capacity. The bomber can carry a payload of up to 75,000 pounds, including precision-guided bombs, cruise missiles, and even bunker busters. Crew coordination. In preparation for a test drop, the B-1's four-person crew undergoes detailed mission planning, considering factors such as weather conditions, target parameters, and airspace deconfliction. The crew is comprised of aircraft commander, responsible for overseeing the entire mission, ensuring safe and effective execution. Co-pilot assists the commander in flight operations and navigation. Offensive Systems Officer OSO manages the weapon systems, including targeting and bomb release. Defensive Systems Officer DSO operates the defensive countermeasures, protecting the bomber from potential threats during the mission. Before takeoff, the entire team goes through a meticulous briefing covering every detail of the mission. This includes the flight path, the bomb type to be dropped, timing for release, and the specific target coordinates. For this test drop, the B-1 was armed with a precision-guided joint direct attack munition JDAM. Loading the bomb. The ground crew plays an equally crucial role in ensuring mission success. For this test, a JDAM was carefully loaded into one of the B-1's internal bomb bays. The JDAM is a guidance kit that converts unguided bombs into all-weather precision-guided munitions, relying on GPS to hit a designated target with pinpoint accuracy. As part of the pre-mission procedure, the loadmasters inspect every detail of the bomb loading process, ensuring that it is secured properly in the bomb bay. A final system check is conducted to make sure the bomber's release mechanism and targeting software are synchronized with the munitions. Takeoff and ingress. Once all preparations were completed, the B-1 crew took off from an Air Force base, cruising at high altitudes towards the designated test range. The Lancer's variable sweep wings and powerful engines allowed the aircraft to reach optimal speed quickly, ensuring they arrived at the test site on schedule. During the flight, the crew monitored a variety of parameters, including fuel consumption, atmospheric conditions, and the operational status of the onboard weapon systems. The OSO was responsible for ensuring that the JDAM's targeting coordinates were uploaded and that the munition was primed for release. Targeting and bomb launch. As the B-1 approached the test range, the crew shifted their focus to the bomb drop. The OSO worked with the aircraft commander to ensure the bomber aligned perfectly with the target. The JDAM's GPS coordinates had been inputted before the mission, but real-time adjustments were made based on factors like wind speed and direction to optimize the munition's accuracy. Once over the release point, the OSO activated the bomb release mechanism. With the push of a button, the JDAM was deployed from the bomb bay. As the bomb fell toward the target, its guidance system took over, adjusting its trajectory to ensure it struck with precision. Post-drop maneuvers. After the JDAM was released, the B-1 crew performed an evasive maneuver to avoid any potential blast effects or enemy radar detection, a maneuver typical during combat. The Lancer's high-speed capabilities allowed it to quickly exit the area after the drop. Following the drop, a team on the ground at the test range monitored the bomb's trajectory and impact point. The JDAM successfully hit the designated target, validating the accuracy of both the weapon and the B-1's targeting systems. Debrief and assessment. Upon returning to base, the crew underwent a thorough debrief discussing every aspect of the mission. The focus of the debrief was to evaluate the performance of the B-1 systems, the accuracy of the bomb drop, and any challenges that arose during the test. Ground teams at the test range also provided feedback on the impact site, confirming that the JDAM had hit within a few meters of the intended target. This successful test not only reaffirmed the B-1 Lancer's capabilities, but also provided valuable data for future mission planning and munitions development. The B-1 Lancer continues to prove itself as a versatile and reliable bomber within the U.S. Air Force. The successful test drop of the JDAM highlights the crew's expertise, the precision of the aircraft systems, and the effectiveness of its payload delivery in simulated combat conditions. As military operations evolve, the B-1 remains a critical tool for long-range strike capabilities, capable of adapting to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare. With ongoing upgrades and its impressive operational history, the B-1 Lancer is expected to remain in service for years to come, ready to support both conventional and nuclear deterrence missions around the world.